I've seen dolphins last week. I was in the excursion here in the morning around 8 o'clock in the morning, and I saw dolphin just following from private island towards to the arrival area.
Really?
So they came very close to the arrival area. So welcome to your home away from home, Villa 501. So open the door, you may lift up the slide, and then please.
Thank you.
This is one of our one-bedroom Grand Reef Villa. Size of this villa is 319 square meter. This is my favorite area in the villa, alfresco area. So when you sit here in the afternoon, morning, you can enjoy the view. Sometimes dolphin passing by here, you may enjoy free dolphin cruise.
Aww.
Your villa. The reef here in front of your villa is beautiful. It's so rich in marine life. You can see now also fishes jumping, small fishes are there. So you will find Dory, Nemos in front of your villa. So you can use the staircase down to go to the ocean and you may swim there. This. To open the door, you may set the key card in the sensor here. Please.
Thank you.
So once again, very warm welcome to Waldorf Astoria Maldives. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Yunus. I'll be taking care of you during your stay in Waldorf Astoria Maldives. It's lovely to have you here in this beautiful property. So I'll just give you a quick orientation, and then we'll do the check-in in the villa. We have placed a bottle of wine with first compliments. From this side of the villa, you will find the hair dryer and the right drawer. We have two pieces of luggage, one in the drawer, one in here.
Lovely, thank you.
So from the wardrobe area, this area is pretty spacious. So when you walk here, you can enjoy the view from your bathtub. The bathtub, you can see the AC bathtub. And then also you have outdoor shower on the side. So outdoor shower will be in the garden. So the space of the outdoor shower is very good, that you can enjoy the view of the greenery and you feel like it's so much comfortable. As we talk about the heron, you may enjoy the yoga at the villa. We have placed the yoga mat. Sometimes the heron pass by, you can do yoga there. So here's the life vest we place in the wardrobe. So in order to enjoy snorkeling, so this life jacket is pretty convenient for snorkeling. And then we have placed outdoor slippers, in-room slippers with our compliments. There's a beach bag that you may use to say when you go out for the beach. The lights and electronic features you may control beside the bed by the entrance wall, the door next to the door, and also you may control all the lights and electronic features from your phone. When you go to room control, you get all the lights and electronic features you may control from your phone. So when you go here, the lights, it will show entrance, outdoor, and living room, bedroom, wardrobe, fan you may control, blinders, air conditioned, privacy mode. When you go to directory, you will find all the information about the property. We have in-house photographer artist, so we have photography session, weekly program. So this is the complimentary wellness activity program. There will be kids activities as well. Highlighted green color ones are chargeable. And then we have Ingla dining menu. This is breakfast. We have romantic floating breakfast, so that you may enjoy the floating breakfast in the pool. This is like especially for the Instagram. And then our breakfast restaurant, if you go once, you will never have breakfast in the villa. Our breakfast we have a lot of opportunities, different varieties of food, so
Yeah.
it will be a buffet so that you can enjoy the view of ocean from the sitting on the beach,
Yeah.
or we have inside seating so that you can enjoy the breakfast at dressing table with the varieties of selection of food. Also we have night menu if you're hungry at the midnight, so you can order something such as. Then these are the concept of the restaurants. Later on I will share with you the menu of the restaurants. So you can see that we have different restaurants. So Terra, this is our signature restaurant. Yasmin, Middle Eastern cuisine. Leilong, our Chinese contemporary restaurant. Pico Valley, lobby bar where you're gonna have the cocktails in the afternoon. And Ember is the sunset bar. Ember is the color of the
Sunset.
Yeah.
And Nawa Beach Bar where you can have the lunch. Veg, dressing table, flow, destination dining. So if you like to do a private dinner on the beach or wedding pavilion, we do have this opportunity also. So we have sunken sand dinner, which you will be sitting lower level of the sand. You can have dinner. Activities, we have infinite of activities that you can name any activity. If you dream to do, we'll make it happen for you.
Okay.
So these are like the group activities. For group excursions, minimum 4 guests require most of the activities. So do let me know if you're interested in any activities so I can register your name. So maybe then other guests will see and they will join too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Spa menu also will be here. Well, to call in Villa Dining, you made out from the top second button or room service. So this is your private bar. From private bar, house water, tea and coffee will be complimentary, along with the packet of milk, which is full cream milk and almond milk. So that will be complimentary. For the milk is tea and coffee cream. Kettle will be here. There is some cups, kettle and bottle organized here. So the rest of the items will be chargeable. Press list is placed here. Do you have any questions?
No, I think it's really nice. Thanks a lot for
You're very welcome.
Very comprehensive.
We'll do the check-in then.
Yeah, sounds good.
Water Villa. The bathroom difference is a glass bottom and outdoor shower. So also outdoor shower, you have access to go outside the deck area.
Lovely.
from Villa 627 Beach Villa.
Thank you.
So you. So the difference in this villa will be the beach area. The Reef Villa and Water Villa, when you go out the sun deck area, you have the water, you have the view of ocean. So in here you have the bushes to cover like a little bit privacy from the pool. When you go out here, you have your beach here, the private beach.
Perfect. Thank you.